It's Ryan with S&B. Wanted to give you a quick overview on our traction bar kit for the 08 and newer Ford Superduty trucks. It's going to fit all single rear wheel and dual rear wheel trucks. There's a different kit for each, the difference being the under axle plate at the rear because the U-bolt width's a little different. On here we've got our bars themselves, so we have a short gusset and a long gusset kit. These are our short gussets. The long gussets function exactly the same, the only difference, the gusset length's a lot longer. The front sections are adaptable couplers. This is what allows the bars to fit any truck. They stretch anywhere between 50 and 84 inches long. Our bushings for the rear of the bars and our bushings for the front. So we've got a bushing in both axes. What that allows for is the traction bar to control axle wrap without limiting articulation, as the axle can still move freely and pivot on each bushing within the bar. Then we've got our under frame mounts right here, and so that's what's going to allow us to clear every amp step and fuel tank. We're going to work with all the S&B tanks. So again, this is going to fit all the 08 and newer Ford Super Duty trucks. A great kit to control axle wrap with your solid rear axle truck.